Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, letting you know very quickly that the auction, the Movember auction for 12.4 grams of platinum, pure platinum that Michael is donning right here, finishes today at 3 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. We're actually going to do it the end of the auction during our live stream, which starts at 2:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. I'll put a link above to the Movember auction video now, and I'll put a link above, hopefully I'll put a link above to the live stream. I'll put a link above to that pretty soon, hopefully right now. Hopefully you'll see that too. So what do you need to do? If you want to bid, really easy, go to this Movember auction video and you're actually placing your bid as part of a reply to our pinned comment. So you scroll down and you see this pinned comment right here. You hit the read more button, read all the terms and conditions because you got to do your due diligence, and then scroll down to the replies. Hit the view replies button, and then you want to see where the highest bid is. Now currently it's about 8:30 in the morning, roughly on Friday, December 3rd, on the day that it finishes. The current highest bidder is Yuck Futube. Yuck Futube, what does that mean? Who knows? I wonder. 1,150 Australian dollars. That's the current highest bidder. If you want to bid more than that, what you need to do is don't reply under Yuck Futube's one. Don't hit that reply button. Just hit a reply to our pinned comment. Just hit a reply right here. So you want to bid 10,000 million trillion dollars, and then hit the reply button, and that is going to be your bid. Don't edit the bid because that'll be considered void. If you want to up your bid, then you have to place a second reply, but the terms and conditions explain all that about what bids are voided, not valid if you do certain things. So just read all that is the easiest way to do it. And at 2:30 we'll go live and we'll talk our usual bullion and we'll take questions and all that. And at 3 p.m. that's the cutoff time to get your bid in. So again, read all the terms and conditions. Bids, I'll make a mention here. Bids on or after 3 p.m. exactly will not be valid. So you've got to get your bid in before it hits 3 p.m. Okay, hope that makes sense. So we probably may see a lot of bids happening at 2:55, 2:56, 2:59, but 3 p.m. or later your bid will not be valid. So just keep that in mind. Let's do this for charity, yeah, because all proceeds are going to Movember men's health related charities, and in return, well, you get a good warm fuzzy feeling when you donate to a worthy cause, which these different charities are, of course, and all proceeds are going to that. But also you get 12.4 grams of pure platinum in a cool mustache. I mean, check this out. You're going to watch the video fully yourself, but it's very, very cool. So again, that link to this video is above. A link to the live stream I'll put below as well, part of the pinned comment and in the info section of the YouTube page. That's really it. Place a bid. Get your hands on this awesome platinum Mo. You know what to do. You know when to do it. That's pretty much it. So spread this around. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, of course, and spread this Movember auction. Only a number of hours to go until the live stream at 2:30, and then 3 p.m. is the cutoff for the auction. Get this around. Get this out there. Spread the word. Great cause and a great customized piece for you in pure platinum. All right, get a bidding. Good luck. Stay safe, and we'll speak to you soon.